Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Brittany Kimball and I am here to talk with you about a couple of new products that I've incorporated into my wash and go and my hair care regimen. For anyone who has followed me on Instagram, I have been, my kids are right in front of me and my dog has been barking every now and then. Go sit down. So anyway, I'm gonna keep going. So if you watched my how I do my shampoo for my wash and goes videos that I put with Design Essentials, can you go sit down, please? No, go sit down. I've incorporated a couple more products to help me actually moisturize my hair. So, and I've incorporated into my wash and go, and it's a moisturizer that I can use throughout the week. Plus, I'm also going to go over how I'm able to wear my hair natural still during the week without having to use a bonnet or without having to use a pineapple. So, really excited to share with everyone what I've been doing. Tomorrow is my wash day. So today is day 6 of my wash and go. So I'm literally been able to go a week without having to co-wash or revamp my hair or anything like that. Only just using moisturizer. Have not got my hair wet at all. And this is usually my hair, doesn't get to stay looking like this like for the entire week. Usually I can go about 4 days with my wash and go before I start having to like put it up and get creative with it and put in different styles. But the moisturizer and the refresher that I've been using, well, it's not really a refresher, but it's been so bomb. So I'm gonna get into it and show you guys what I've been using. Also, I've been doing a different method. So you guys saw the video where I shampoo. I have the new bottles here finally of the almond and avocado shampoo and conditioner right here. So as I've shown you in my video, when I shampoo my hair, I shampoo of course at the roots, and then I finger detangle down the shaft, so that way it kind of detangles the hair. And then it also this shampoo is targeted for moisturizing and detangling as well, so it works perfectly. I will shampoo twice with this just to make sure I get off any buildup or anything like that. The rinse out conditioner, put it all through my hair, and then I kind of split in the middle, and then I'll comb my hair or I'll detangle with a shower comb through my hair on both sides, and I'll make sure it stays drenched with the conditioner. After that, now I've incorporated, I had the almond avocado moisturizer, but I believe they changed the formulation on the leave-in conditioner, and it makes it so much more moisturized. It feels like even more conditioned. So I've actually put this on in the shower as well. So after I'm done detangling, I rinse out my conditioner. I'll make sure my hair is drenching wet. And in the videos you guys saw, I split my hair down in the middle and have two sides. Drench my hair in water, and then I start at the ends and then continue to completely saturate all of my hair with the leave-in conditioner. Makes such a difference. And then I make sure also I just put my hair back in the water and make sure it stays drenched and with the leave-in conditioner. I just love that feel because it definitely helps for the moisture retention for that week to come. And so the next thing that I do after my hair is drenching wet with the leave-in conditioner is I apply my almond avocado curl enhancing mousse, which you guys have seen me use that in my previous video. It's just that since having my third baby, I noticed that my hair doesn't stay as moisturized as long. I'm still nursing too, so hormones can have a lot to do with that. So my hair has just been feeling like dry lately. So I was like, I really need to find a daily moisturizer that I can use. And that's where this baby comes in handy. I've been using this is also a Design Essentials product. It is from the Wave and Design line. And this is the Define and Shine 2-in-1 Dry Finishing Lotion. So you can actually put this on with your hair dry. It's a daily moisturizer, but you can also use it while your hair is wet as well. So after I apply the almond and avocado, you know, to each quadrant, I'll go in each quadrant, and then I'll put some of this in my hand, and I'll start at the ends and kind of start clumping, and then I'll rake my way through with it. So I do that in all 4 parts. I also use this. I didn't use it every single night, but maybe like every other night, because the moisture, like, it stayed really well. There was like 2 nights that I didn't use it at all, and my hair, you could still see the sheen in it, but you know, it wasn't like as super moisturized as like the other days, but it did so well. Another thing that I tried, and I really felt a difference the next morning as well, is the the almond avocado overnight recovery cream, or overnight recovery treatment, I'll say. This is something, because it is a treatment, you wouldn't want to put this on every single night. You can use it up to 2 nights a week. So tomorrow's my wash day, so I use this I used this last night. So you can, for me, I kind of like anything treatment wise to use, like, Clay, can you be quiet? Clay, sit down. I like to use it closer to when I am having a wash day. You can do whatever works for you. Like I said, you can use this instruction, so you can use this up to twice a week. So I only used it once because I was really liking my results with this. So I was using this here once a week. Another thing is, so the front of my hair can tend to get more frizz than anything else, and there's times like it was still moisturized, but it just didn't have as much definition as like the back and, you know, the sides of my hair and everything. Plus this front part, it tends to stretch more because the curl is a lot stretchier. Like, look at this curl versus these curls in the back right here. See how these are like tighter? So they tend to like stretch a little more. So I was using the almond avocado line again, curl control and shine mist. I'm not a person that likes refreshers because that's still the same thing as like getting your hair damp and wet. I need moisturizers. Another good thing about this moisturizer too is, even if your hair has kind of lost a little bit of definition, the moisture in this product, in the Wave and Design 2-in-1, it helps, you know, to get your curl back, you know, get the pattern back in there, as opposed to the frizz kind of being in there or any stretching out. So anyway, so I would just spray this in. It would give it a nice sheen, and like you know, it says curl control, so it did really good, you know, with making sure that my curls stay looking juicy or whatnot, juices and berries. So the last thing that I'm going to show you guys is how I wrap my hair at night without having to do a pineapple or anything like that. So these little deals right here, they are actually those like bike mask things that you put around your neck. So originally I had got these, you know, the new normal, to wear these like over my head, but I noticed when I would like talk to my clients, like it wasn't as breathable as the, what am I saying, as breathable as like the other masks that had like the filters on them. And so then they're so cute. I got them from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description below. But I was also using it as a headband. So I had it kind of back like this, and I was, you know, moving it back like this in like another picture, and I thought it was really cute. Well, I was just playing with it one day, and then I noticed that it has like so much stretch. So I noticed that I can just like have it go completely up. So now I kind of like Marge Simpson. I'll try to bend over here. I'll just roll it on up on my hair. And then I close, you know, kind of close the top up my hair into it. Hope you guys can see. And I sleep just like this. It was a pack of 6 of these that I got from Amazon. And I think it was like 15 or 16 bucks what I got them for. My son wants to say hi to everyone. And I'm pretty sure my oldest one's gonna come over here too.
Hey, I need to headlock. And Carter,
Yeah, so Clay and Sonic Hedgehog say hello.
hello. So,
Okay, I told y'all this is a recording. I'm not live, so but you guys made your cameo. Okay. Anyway, Clay, mommy's talking. Okay, go sit down, please. No playing. So anyway, what I do is I put my moisturizer on at night, and then I got my Marge Simpson deal going on here. And so I will chime back on here in the morning and let you know how I, you know, take it off and what I do to my hair afterwards. And so you guys can really see, instead of me just taking it off now and it's still, you know what I mean, kind of loose a little bit, I actually let it form overnight, and I'll take it off for you guys so you can see, you know, what it looks like and shake it out and everything. So I will see you guys in the morning, and I hope this helps you a little bit. Hey y'all, I'm back and just showing you how everything looks once you're ready to take your hair down. So your Marge Simpson is still up. All you're literally gonna do is just pull it off, and it's gonna be up like this, and you just kind of swing your hair back and forth, shake it out. I start at the roots and just shake my hair out. And take my glasses off for a second. So this is the point where you can use some of your curl control spray. I usually don't use it this soon after I take it, you know, take the wrap off of my hair. But just to show you guys, I kind of like, you know, fluff my hair how I want it. And then you can kind of, you know, spray in those areas that tend to get frizzy for a little control and shine. Fluff it out. That's literally all I do. But I mean, it falls down pretty quickly after I shake through the roots. And that is it. Just kind of shake it out however you want it. And of course, like as the time goes, usually at some point I just, my kids are still watching TV. At some point I just go ahead and I'll do, you know, my makeup or finish getting my kids dressed. So usually I'm kind of running around the house, but you know, your hair is still has some bounce to it, some flow. So this is how I'm able to still wear my hair out natural, loose natural for the rest of the week. If you guys have any questions, I will be having links to everything below. The link to the products used, the link to the Amazon head wraps, or the multi-use wraps, because they're used for a lot of things, and there's 6 different styles and patterns. So I hope you guys find some great use for this video. Hope this helps you, and I look forward to seeing everybody later.